Switching gears now to more local coverage, April is marking the start of National Child Abuse Prevention Month. Certainly an important issue year-round, but advocates are going to spend this month raising more awareness on how to stop the abuse. Joining us live in studio this morning is Michelle Loranger, the Executive Director of the Children's Advocacy Center of Bristol County. Good morning and thanks for joining us.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
You're welcome. All right, so let's first of all begin with what you're doing today to kick things off. I understand you have an event in Attleboro this morning.
That is correct, with Mayor Dumas and our elected officials helping us raise awareness to the month of April being Child Abuse Prevention Month. So we will join the mayor with the staff at the Children's Advocacy Center to kick off and have him proclaim with folks so that we can all raise awareness. We know that education and awareness are the first steps to prevention.
Sometimes there are obviously more obvious signs of abuse, but there are other times when things may not be so obvious. So what are some of the maybe more subtle warning signs we can look for?
Well, one thing unto itself is not mutually exclusive, so we want to make sure that folks are aware that when you put things together along with your gut, but there are some important factors like significant changes in behavior, not wanting to be with people that normally folks and kids were very comfortable in visiting, and talking often and talking early with our kids to talk about personal body part safety is really, really important in keeping kids safe.
Let's talk about specifically some of the programs and maybe services that you offer for individuals who are affected.
Sure. So the Children's Advocacy Center is a place that coordinates for kids who have been victims of child sexual abuse, severe physical abuse, and those that have witnessed violence. But in our education and outreach program, anyone can call us to help navigate what to do when they're concerned for a child. So they can call the center and we'll help guide them into a system to get the assistance they need, and then those agencies with investigative responsibilities will in turn refer the case back to us. So we act as like an information clearinghouse for anyone who needs assistance from us, but we're also the entity that coordinates it should we need to be looking further into things.
And for people watching at home, if they have questions or concerns, maybe another resource you could provide for them, maybe a website or something that people could check out.
Sure. Our website is www.cacofbc.org, and our phone number is 508-674-6111.
All right, Michelle, thank you for joining us. Very important information to pass along. We appreciate it. We'll provide all that information for you as well for those resources on our website, WPRI.com.